Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber Maria, and today we are going to do the ultimate test. I decided to make a curl cream using some ingredients I had here, ordered some ingredients, and I also used ChatGPT. Let's go. Alright, so I just got my hair washed and scalped and conditioned. It was so amazing, and like, this is a blowout. This is a blowout, like, it was, yes. This is a blowout. My hair feels so good right now. And also, my stylist said that my hair is looking extra thick. I'm like, girl, yeah, thank you. So anyway, like I said, I decided to create my own curl cream. I really want length retention when it comes to my hair, and I want a nice routine. And if you know me, you know I like to create things. I have my own skincare line, Southern Honey Care, if you want to check it out. But anyway, I decided to create my very own curl cream using some ingredients I had at home, and I ordered a few ingredients to come, you know, this week. So this is what it looks like. It's very thick in consistency, so I'm a little nervous. This is what it looks like. I think it's super creamy. All right, I know my hands are a little ashy, don't look at that. But I think it's super creamy in my opinion. So yeah, I want to lean more into creating my own stuff, and we're gonna see how it goes. And I did use ChatGPT to help me do some calculations, and of course God, because I needed some help. But yeah, I'm gonna really try to do this. I want length retention. I want my hair to grow. I want it to be healthy, and I want a nice routine. So if I can create my own stuff, period, that's amazing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have everything set up. I have my steamer here. This is what it looks like. This is one of my steamers. I have like 3 steamers technically, but this is one. You press the button and steam comes out of it. And when I was looking on ChatGPT, it was saying that, you know, your hair likes steam. You have low porosity. I said, okay. I have that. I have my water, aloe vera juice. I have my shea powder oil that I'm going to use as a sealant. And again, these are just instructions from ChatGPT, y'all. I don't know if this is going to work, so don't come for me in the comments. I'm trying. Oh, there it goes. That noise that you're hearing, that's the steam heating up. But before we get started, what's up, Bubs? Bubbles. He's not for it today. But anyway, this is my steamer. It's technically like a face steamer, but I'm going to use it for my hair as well today. Don't come for me in the comments. I'm stalling because I'm nervous. I'm scared that like it's not going to work. But we're going to speak into existence that it's going to work. That's going to be great. So anyway, first I'm going to part my hair. Y'all, I got to flex. So when I was getting my hair done today, the stylist who was doing it, she had to switch her blow dryer because she was like, your hair is too thick. I was like, my hair is too wet. She's like, your hair is too thick. I said, I mean, you telling me that a regimen's actually working? That my hair is getting thicker? Is that what you're telling me? A blessing. I've been wanting to get a silk press for so long, but my hair has just not been in a healthy state. But like, she said my hair looking like thick. She's like, your hair is thicker than it was. I said, oh my goodness. Glory be to God. Let me stop playing. Because honestly, y'all, I have an event. Well, I have dinner, which anytime I go out of my house, I call that an event because I don't go out often. But I have dinner, and it's supposed to be like a Galentine's thing. I don't know when y'all are watching this video. It's supposed to be Galentine's, and it is currently 1:33. I thought it was 12 o'clock. Okay, let me really stop playing. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's do this. Hey guys, so this is just me parting my hair. I tried to make this as neat as possible, but it didn't turn out as well as I wanted it to be, but that's okay. I'm going to go in with the Slick and Slay Edge Control just to make sure that this part is as flat as possible. And now for the main event, let's go in with the curl cream. Now, I put 2 layers on top of it, and My hair looked and felt moisturized, but it wasn't really curling the way I wanted it to, so it was more of a butter texture. But anyway, I'm first going to start by braiding my hair down just so the twist can be as flat as possible. Then I'm going to turn to the side, separate that into 2 sections, and then begin the twisting process. I want to in the future start doing rope twists, but that's going to be another video. But anyway, these are just regular twists, and this is what it looks like. I then go in with the other section, add some water, add the curl cream, and do the same process, braiding it down, making sure that I separate it into 2 sections, and using my tangle teaser to detangle my hair, braiding it, and then continuing with the process. And this is what the first 2 looked like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. They're not as many as I thought they would be, but and the hair cream is more of a butter, so I think next time I'm going to add more water to it. I added, was it either 59% water or 40% water? I can't remember. But this is what it looks like. My hair doesn't feel dry, but it feels like it just, I don't know. It feels more like a hair butter instead of a hair cream. But, I mean, like, look at, you see that end right there? Like, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm curious. My fear is that it'll be dry throughout the 2 weeks I have it. Like, this one's already feeling kind of dry. Oh, child. Chile. I don't know. But, you know, that's the cool thing about being able to create something. You can always, you know, try again. So, yeah, I'm going to keep going. And the next time, I'm just going to do some more research and try again, y'all. But yeah. Okay, y'all, update. It is not going as well as we hoped. So, I don't do chemistry or anything like that, but like I said, I make my own products. So I can kind of tell when I had too much of a water phase or too much of an oil phase or too much of the cool down phase. So I'm feeling it in, like, I think it's too much oil phase, like too much butter in it. Like, I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see it. Is my mic on? Yeah, I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see it. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. What they look like. They're not the same size. They're just kind of everywhere right now. They're okay. Like, they're okay. They're not bad or anything like that. I am curious on what they're gonna look like in like a week. I just need them to last for 2 weeks. Yeah, I have this much product left, right? And I want to do it again, but I don't know, y'all. I need to hurry up because I told myself I want to be done by 5. It's 4:25 right now. I'm gonna do this. I feel like I want to do the rest of my hair in the crazy sexy curl. If you know me, you know this is my number one thing when it comes to twists. And I don't know, since it's like the front area, you feel me? Like, because people gonna be seeing this, they're not gonna pay attention to the back. But I don't know. I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Bubbles. He's right here. He looks so cute, y'all. Let me see if I could. Here, my stinky baby. He is literally, he's so cute. I remember we went to the vet one time. And the vet was like, he's so handsome. I'm like, girl, I know. He's mine. What did you expect? Alright, so at this point, I was at the home stretch. I'm not gonna lie, your girl was tired, but we are fired. We're gonna keep going. So at this point, the reason why you see the curl there is because I did add the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse, and that's what helped clump my curls a little bit more. And this is just me twisting it. Alright, you guys, I am back, and my baby is sleeping. You see him? Hey, stinker butt. Okay, he didn't like that. But I am done. So, couple things. So, as y'all know, I did like the back with the curl cream that I made, but at the front, like this section and most of this section, I used the Crazy Sexy Curl Mousse because this is gonna be my front and I need it to last the longest since this is where people will look at me at. But it's not bad. The back does feel soft. It surprisingly does feel moisturized. It's still a little wet down, but I'm gonna let it dry up somewhere to go and then I'll come back and let you guys see it. But I'm not mad. It's I'm not mad at it. She's cute or whatever. Alright you guys, I'm back from my dinner. It was an amazing time. But I wanted to show you guys my hair before I tie it up and take off my face. Hey Bubs! He says hello. Alright. He's super excited that I'm back home, aren't you? Y'all, this is what he'll look, and then he'll do this. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys like what the hair looks like. Like I said, I did the back portion of my hair with the curl cream that I made. And also I didn't mention this, but topped my hair off with shebe powder oil that I infused as well. But anyway, this is what the back looks like when it's fully dry. It's 100% dry. There's a so yeah, it's 100% dry. This is the main portion of where I used the curl cream. This is what it looks like. It's super fluffy. I thought it was gonna be heavy on my hair, but it's not. It's not. I think I'll use it. I'll continue to use it here and there whenever I want to do twists. It probably won't be my main thing, but it's not that bad. But the front portion, again, I use the Do Be Girl Crazy Sexy Curl because, again, my front, people are going to be noticing this first before they notice the back. But I like her. There are some parts that are not as, they didn't hold as well as I would like as far as the curl cream, but first time I really made it for real, so it's not bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is the final look. Try to get a good thumbnail. I don't know. It was awkward because like I started to laugh and then I stopped. But yeah, I think it's cute. I think it looked pretty cute right now. I believe the way that it's feeling right now, I believe that it will last for 2 weeks, which is the main goal. I want to get my hair done again, you know, within 2 weeks to get the regimen continuously going. But that's all the time I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. And also, let me know if you're interested in me creating or trying some other curl recipes or anything. I really want to build a community when it comes to YouTube. I said that last year, but this year I actually mean it. So thank you guys, and also to the new subscribers. I am close to 1,000 subscribers, which is huge for me. Like, I've been doing YouTube for quite some time, and to be close to this milestone is very exciting, and I don't take it lightly. So glory be to God. I pray that I make it to it. But that's all the time I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Peace.